Hey, Jason Rivera of Value Investing Journey here today to talk to you about what is in this Value Investing for Beginners course you are looking at right now. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you the very basics of value investing, things like what is value investing, why it's important, when it works best, does it work in your country. I will also give you access to some of the templates I've developed personally over the last 13 years that have helped me generate 21.7% average returns for my investors over the last 8 years on average. These templates, including Value Investing Journey Glossary of Terms, which includes more than 100 definitions of important terms, our Value Investing Journey Profitability Metric and Valuation Template, which shows you 23 different valuations and different metrics I use every time I evaluate a company. On top of the videos, on top of the template I just talked about, you'll also get a resource guide that will help, or that will show you some of the best things I learned from as I was coming up as a better value investor. It'll help you learn better, it'll help you develop better habits so you can learn faster, show you how to learn faster. And you'll also get my kind of top tips as a beginning value investor, my number one top tip for a beginning value investor as well. In this, all of this, normally again, this would be $500 to $1,000 for all this. Today, we're doing it for $1. Why? Why $1? If this is really worth $500 to $1,000, why $1? Because I want to get as many people into this program as humanly possible. Because once people get into this program, I know they're going to love it. I know you're going to learn a lot. And I know that value investing can change your life over the better, and I want to show you that at a low introductory price. Again, $1 only for all this. Normally it costs $500 to $1,000. I'm listing at this price because, again, I want you in this program to learn, become a great value investor, to learn how to value businesses, to learn how to value stocks, to learn how to improve businesses if you're a business owner. I want to help you do all these things, and I want to help you start today at only $1. And this, while it is for beginners, and it's geared for beginners, this will help advanced value investors well too, because I'm a very big believer in building a solid foundation with anything in your life, whether it be value investing or whatever. So this would help more advanced investors as well. But if you're looking for valuations, yes, you get the template, but valuations is in one of our other courses where I talk about that specifically. So you're not going to see me talk specifically a lot about value, or at all about valuations here. You're not going to see me talk about specific techniques here, other than what's in the resource and valuation guide and profitability metric guide. I will not specifically in these videos talk about that kind of stuff. That's for a different video, or that's for a different course that I will concentrate on that stuff on. So if you're looking for that, this is not the right course for you. Check out one of our other courses. But if you are looking to understand value investing better, maybe you've heard the term, maybe you want to earn higher investment returns safer, maybe you want to become the next Warren Buffett, whatever the case may be, this course will help you understand how to do those things, or to begin doing those things better, and how to reach your goals in finance, and so you can earn higher investment returns, retire, save money, do charity work, whatever you want to do, reach your goals and dreams. That's what this is all about. Value Investing Journey, my main website, is dedicated to helping you and any others become a great value investor within 1 year. This is a beginner level program that several people have asked me about. They've been asking for a couple of years now for me to create a beginner level course, and that's what this course is. If you're interested, click the link below and it will tell you in more detail. The next page will tell you in more detail what you're going to get to take advantage of this. Again, normally this is $500 to $1,000. You can get it for just $1 today. I hope to see you in the course, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.